Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mish and for this video, we will be sharing our Halloween cakesicles. For the ingredients, we need 2 cups cake crumbs, 150 grams chocolate ganache. This is ready-made from Beryl's, and 300 grams dark Beryl's chocolate. First, in your bowl, mix your cake crumbs and your chocolate ganache. She's with me because she wants to decorate Halloween cakesicle. Mix it just until it forms dough. Yung mag-hold na siya. Okay? Just until like this. Then, set aside. Then next, let's boil water. Tapos, let's put bowl on top. Tapos, melt natin si chocolate. What's this? Chocolate. Okay. So, melted na yung chocolate natin. Now, for the cakesicle na gagamitin, we need the molder. May malaki to, tapos may maliliit. So, this time, maliliit yung gamitin natin. Then, we have Halloween candies. Yan. So, she can decorate later. Tapos, we need brushes for the chocolate, and then some gloves, and some sticks for the popsicle. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. So, for the brush, yan yung gagamitin natin sa side. So, let's put the melted chocolate. Then, lagay natin siya sa side. Okay, sa side. You put sa side. So, focus muna tayo sa side ng molder para ito yung maunang tumigas before we put the cake crumbs. Kailangan not too thick but not too thin yung chocolate. Very good, Bella. Tap this one, tapos chill natin for 3 minutes. So, it's set already. Lagyan na natin ang cake crumbs with ganache. Put on your gloves. Pour mo lang siya ng medyo pahaba para kasya. Okay? Then, press. Don't put too much cake or else lalabas yung iba. Okay? So, tama lang. Press. Do not squeeze. Just press. Yan. Very good. Then, once okay na, lagyan na natin ng chocolate pang cover. Tapos, paset ulit natin to. Then, let's put the sticks. You can push this one. Tapos, then, you can add more chocolate. Tap para malinis. I-tap nyo. Then, set natin to for around 5 minutes sa chiller. And, syempre, ayaw niya mag-wait. So, actually, gumawa na ako kanina ahead of time before siya dumating ng mas maraming cakesicle para ready to decorate na. Once set na siya, slowly remove na from your molder. Then, it's time to decorate. I have here melted chocolate. Pandikit to siya. Follow Bella, okay? You put small chocolate. Then, let's put the eyes. There you go, our Halloween cakesicle. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking! Say bye! Bye! Shy!